Hello everyone, I've got a short video today. Before we start, this gameplay comes from the Pripyat site near Burnley in Lancashire, and it was hosted by Warlord Airsoft Club. This is a small club of experienced players who prefer much more relaxed, free-flowing gameplay, and I must say I really recommend it. The main marshal, Tony, is a top bloke and he runs some really good games. Without further delay, here are my 3 best kills from the day. I hope you enjoy it.
Cheers, bud. Got him.
And there you have it. If you've enjoyed the video, consider pressing the like button, and if you feedback for me, I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.